different kinds are rampant nowadays. I have one example to tell you to how to use CCTV camera in proper way. Let me tell you the incident into the mini grocery at Pandalage near to my house. Before, they don't have CCTV in their establishment. They have several incidents happening in the store, like robbery and shoplifters. Sometimes they not caught the shoplifter in the act, so the state is going down to bankrupt. So after that, several incidents, they plan to put CCTV on their store in every corner of the store. They put CCTV to the track down the shoplifter and to listen the robbery incident. As of now, after the put CCTV on the mini grocery, they have a problem. They have no problem to put the shoplifter on the app. Because every customer who enter and going out to the store, they have recorded what's happening in the grocery. And that was the one example to using the CCTV camera in the small business. This afternoon, I'm going to tell why CCTV camera is important invention in our country. What does CCTV camera means? CCTV known as closed circuit television. Some countries also use it. It was first used in the United States in 1940s. For them to be able to monitor their missiles testing and exploded, and watching out for the possible defect or problems may have.